So we are doing our chapter 8 in maths trigonometry. So today we will go for the just for the basic. Okay, in that we are going to understand the sine, cos, tan, theta. Okay, and the reverse opposite of that. So first of all, we are going to start these things. See, so students, one more time. So we have taken the right angle triangle. This is considered as a theta. Theta is there, so it is right angle triangle. So the opposite side is called as the hypotenuse, right? If we are considering this angle as a theta, so this will become the opposite side of that theta, and this will become the adjacent side, right? So first off, we are going to go to the sine theta. Sine theta means what? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. So we are writing opposite side here. We see. So BC upon hypotenuse is called as a AC. Okay. Similarly, we are going to the cos theta. So we are here considering the cos theta this only. So cos theta is equal to what? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So cos adjacent side is what? We are taking adjacent side upon the hypotenuse. Here adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is called as the AC. Okay. Now, tan theta is what? If we are writing tan theta, there is no value. We can write sin theta upon cos theta. It is also called as a tan theta. But tan theta is equal to what? Opposite upon adjacent. Okay. So, if writing the opposite side upon the adjacent side is called as a tan theta. Here, opposite side is what? BC. BC is the opposite side and the AB is the adjacent side. Getting this one?
मैम सेकंड वाला कॉस्ट वापस समझाओगे?
I am just repeating everything again. Okay, remember. Now this is called the hypotenuse, right angle triangle. So this is right angle, 90 degree. So opposite this angle is called as a hypotenuse, right? This is we are considering A as a theta. So from theta, we see the opposite side will become and AB will become your adjacent side, right? Pass wali baju. In short. Now from this theta, we are finding the values of sin theta, cos theta, and the tan theta. Okay, sin theta is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC, so BC upon hypotenuse, that is AC. So we can write BC upon AC. Okay. Now about the cos theta. Cos theta is what? Adjacent side upon the hypotenuse. So adjacent side is what? AB here, right? And hypotenuse is given as a AC. Similarly, we have to find out for the tan theta. Tan theta is equal to what? Opposite upon adjacent. So opposite is given BC and adjacent is given as a AB. Okay. Or we can also write this opposite. Instead of sin theta, we can also write sin tan theta. के अलावा हम लिख सकते हैं sin theta upon cos theta. Now look one, how can we write it? We want to find out the tan theta, but here we are considering as sin theta upon cos theta. Right? The value of sin theta is equal to what? BC upon AC. So here we are writing BC upon AC, right? Cos theta is here. So instead of cos theta, we can write AB upon AC. So here AC will cancel out and we will get answer as BC upon AB. It is same as this tan theta. So we can write that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Now say, this much have you understood properly?
नहीं आया मैम
कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया?
नहीं.
किसको समझ में नहीं आया बोलिए? नहीं Okay, one more time we are going to repeat it. See, here we have taken the right angle triangle, right? That you understood.
मुझे
Opposite side is called as a hypotenuse, right? Opposite of the right angle is called as the hypotenuse side. Understood this much?
Yes.
Okay. We are considering A as a theta over here. So opposite A is called as the opposite side. Opposite is theta. That will become the opposite side of this theta. See, this is the right angle triangle. We are considering this as a theta. Three words are there in trigonometry: sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Okay, sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Sin theta means what? How we can find out the value of sin theta? By putting the value of opposite side upon hypotenuse. Right? That is called the sin theta. Sin theta is equal to what? Opposite side, that is given as a BC, and hypotenuse, that is given as a AC. So BC upon AC is equal to sin theta. समझ में आया sin theta? Have you understood sin theta?
हाँ.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood
Yes.
about sin
Yes,
theta?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
yes
Yes,
ma'am
ma'am.
Given as a cos theta. COS
Yes, ma'am.
is a cos theta.
yes ma'am
Okay. COS is called as a cos theta. Cos theta is equal to what? How we can find out the value of cos theta? So it is called as the adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Okay. So here adjacent side is what? AB is called the adjacent side and hypotenuse is AC coordinate. So we can write out AB upon AC to find out the cos theta. Understood this cos theta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this will become
Yes, ma'am.
theta and this is called as a cos theta. Okay, now next is about the tan theta. Tan theta is what? We have to find out the value of tan theta. Ta and tan theta. So tan theta is what? Opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is given as BC and adjacent is given as a AB. So it is called as opposite upon adjacent is equal to tan theta. Understood this much? Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What?
yes ma'am
What happened? What happened? Sure. Now you just tell me what do you mean by sin theta? How can we write the value of sin theta?
Opposite side upon hypotenuse.
opposite side by
Very opposite upon hypotenuse. Here opposite side is what?
BC.
Here. So we can write BC upon hypotenuse is what?
AC. AC.
So this is the value of
AC.
sin theta. Okay. Right. And secondly is given as a cos theta. What do you understand by cos theta?
Adjacent side upon
Adjacent
hypotenuse.
upon hypotenuse. Here adjacent is this side.
AB
Yes.
upon
Upon AC. Right?
AC.
Right. Next is given as a tan theta. Tan theta is equal to what?
upon it
What is tan theta? What is tan theta?
Opposite upon
adjacent side
hypotenuse.
upon
No.
opposite side
Adjacent.
Opposite upon adjacent. Here what is opposite?
adjacent side upon opposite
Opposite upon adjacent.
Right.
Opposite side upon
adjacent
adjacent side.
right, is equal to BC upon AB. Okay. Have you understand these three terms?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We are going ahead with the opposite of this term. Okay, we are doing the opposite of this term. Now understand calculate. Side three words are going to come. One will come as a sec theta. Okay, second will come cosec, and next will come as a cot theta. Okay, so these three terms are going. We are going to introduce now. Sec theta, cosec, and cot. These are the opposite of sine, cos, and the tan. So now remember. Sine, as is said, so opposite of sine theta is called as the cosec theta. Okay, sine theta, as is said, so opposite of s becomes c. Sine theta, opposite of sine theta will be cosec theta. Similarly, cos is said, so opposite of cos will be sec theta. Okay, and tan theta is that opposite of tan is cot theta.
मैम ये कैसे आएगा एक बार वापस बताओ ना.
एक मिनट. See, I am just introducing the three terms that is opposite of the sine, cos, and tan. Just remember that sine theta, opposite of sine is cosec. Cos theta, opposite of cos theta is equal to sec theta. Or tan theta, opposite is cot theta. How can we write that we are writing now? So, sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Values are reciprocal. Okay, here is given cos theta, the reciprocal of the cos theta will be the 1 upon sec theta. And tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. Because today we are doing just this much only, but in a full practice. Sure. 6 terms are there in the trigonometry. Okay, उसका अलावा कुछ नहीं. One term is sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Okay, now opposite of sine is cosec, opposite of cos is sec theta, and tan opposite is cot theta. Have you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to the values of this one. Okay, first, okay, as we know that opposite of sine is cosec theta. So what is the value of cosec theta? In case of sin theta, what we are writing? Sin theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, right? Opposite is BC upon LC we are writing, right? That you know. Now cosec is what? Opposite of that. So upper one will what here? Hypotenuse upon opposite, right? It will become whole reciprocal. Opposite upon hypotenuse, this is the cosec theta, and hypotenuse will be AC and opposite will be your BC. Are you understanding this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Hina, Hiral, Steffi, Hazel, काव्यांजलि,
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो साइन का ऑपोजिट हो गया कॉसेक, रेसिप्रोकल वन. ओके, सिमिलरली वी आर डूइंग फॉर द फर्स्ट कॉस. जस्ट रिवाइज वन टाइम. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय कॉस थीटा?
Cos theta.
मींस व्हाट?
Sec.
Adjacent side upon hypotenuse.
Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So here adjacent is what? AB
AB.
and hypotenuse is what? AC. Now we are writing the reciprocal of cos, right? So cos opposite what will come? Sec theta. Right? Cos opposite is sec theta. So sec theta is equal to what? Hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Right? Hypotenuse is what? AC. Is called as a hypotenuse and adjacent will be A and B. That is upon our adjacent side. Understood this one? So these are the reciprocal of each
Yes.
other.
मैम एक बार वापस रिपीट करो.
Okay. चलो. Sin theta is equal to what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. That we understood. The value of opposite is BC and hypotenuse is given as a AC. Right? Now, opposite of that is reciprocal of that is given as a cosec. So as opposite C. Okay? And C opposite S. So cosec theta. So cosec theta is equal to what? Reciprocal of that. So hypotenuse will go upside and opposite will come downside. Reciprocal will happen. So will you get AC upon AC? Reciprocal of this also. Okay. Now similarly for cos theta. Cos theta is equal to what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent upon hypotenuse is equal to AB upon AC. Now it is of reciprocal sec theta. So sec theta will be what? Hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Okay. So here hypotenuse is given AC and adjacent side is given as a AB. Right? Understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone here understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we are going with the next, that is tan theta. Okay, just using this. What do you understand tan theta? Tan theta is equal to what?
Opposite upon
Opposite
adjacent
upon
side.
adjacent.
Right. Opposite side upon adjacent side. Here what is the opposite? BC. Right? So BC upon AB is the answer of tan theta. Right? Now, if we have to find out the reciprocal of tan theta, what will become cot theta? Reciprocal
Adjacent
of
upon
it will become
adjacent upon opposite.
upon opposite. Now, adjacent is what? AB and BC is the opposite one. Clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to
Yes, ma'am.
right? Chalo. Now, one by one, I will ask to everyone. Today, we have to just understand the terms. The values we are going to understand it by tomorrow. Okay, that is not issue. We have lots of time. Chalo. Now revise this all. Chalo. First, close your notebooks, textbook, everything. I don't want anything open. Close it now. Just keep your video on so I can give you the eye contact also and I can see you. Okay, everyone on your video. Everyone, Hina, Ayush, Hiral, Harsh, Kavanjali. Video on कर दिए so I can ask you and you are able to give me the answer also. Everyone, keep your video on. We don't have too much time, so do it fast. Ayush, Hina, Hazel, Hiral, Harsh.
कर दिया है मैम.
वीडियो ऑन किया?
हाँ मैम.
नहीं दिख
हाँ
रहा।
कर दिया
हाँ.
मैम.
मुझे तो सबका बंद दिख रहा है वो अभी तक।
चालू ही तो मैम.
मैम होनी है सबका.
हाँ हाँ सबका
सिर्फ
ऑन है.
मुझे नहीं दिख रहे है ना कोई।
हाँ चलेगा मैम.
पता नहीं मैम.
मुझे सेफी
हमें
दिखी
तो
अभी
दिख
ऑन
रहा है.
मुझे हाँ सेफी भी गायब हो गई देखो।
है मैम.
नहीं सेफी
मैम शायद नेटवर्क स्लो चल रहा होगा.
हाँ हाँ अभी होगा सबका है ना। चल What do you understand by sin theta?
Adjacent side upon
Sin theta.
hypotenuse.
Opposite side upon hypotenuse.
Okay. I will speak the name that has to give the answer. Okay. Now, Ayush, give me about the cos theta. What do you understand by the cos theta? Ayush. Hina.
Adjusted side upon hypotenuse.
Very good. Now, Steffi, what do you understand by tan theta?
Okay.
Steffi.
Opposite side by adjacent side.
Okay. Now, Kaganjali, what is opposite or reciprocal of cos theta?
Sec theta.
Okay. Now, what is the opposite of sin theta? Hiral.
Cosec.
Cosec theta, right? And Hazel, what is the opposite of cot theta?
क्या?
What is reciprocal of cot theta?
मैं बोलूं
बोलो.
टेंजेंट
Tan theta.
Tan theta.
Okay? Tan theta. See, it is inversely opposed. Vice versa बोलते हैं ना, वैसा कुछ हुआ. Cos reciprocal of cos is sec theta. So what is reciprocal of sec theta?
क्या मैम एक बार वापस बोलो.
Causal.
See, now understand. Reciprocal of cos theta is equal to sec theta, right? So the reciprocal of sec theta is equal to what? Cos theta, right? This is vice versa. एक दूसरे के reciprocal हुए in short. Okay? What is the reciprocal of sin theta?
Cos theta.
Cos theta.
Cosec.
Cosec theta. Okay?
Cosec.
Cosec theta. And what is the reciprocal of cosec theta?
Sin.
Sin theta.
Sin theta. Understood now? Okay.
Sin theta.
Huh. What is reciprocal of tan theta?
Cot.
Cot theta. Right?
cot theta
Okay. Just one more time revise.
Cos.
Then I will ask you again. Okay?
Theta. कौन?
मैडम का नेटवर्क कॉल था. नो प्रॉब्लम विद द नेटवर्क इश्यू. ओके चलो. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ cosec theta? Value of cosec theta. Who will tell Hazel? Cosec theta. हाँ, value of cosec theta means hypotenuse upon opposite or adjacent.
Side.
What is the value of cosec theta? How will you find out the value of cosec theta? Hypotenuse upon opposite side, right?
Reciprocal.
वो रेसिप्रोकल हुआ बेटा. पर अभी वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करनी होगी. देन यू हैव टू पुट इन दिस थ्री इलेमेंट AB AC and BC. That is called the value. Reciprocal is okay. Okay. So what is the value of sec theta?
Okay, ma'am.
What is the value of sec theta? So become hypotenuse upon adjacent.
Hypotenuse.
Right?
Hypotenuse
Upon adjacent. Now, similarly, what is the value of cot theta? What is the value of cot theta?
Adjacent upon hypotenuse.
Cot theta.
एडजेसेंट पर अपोजिट होगा
Value of cot theta. Here is given, देखो, adjacent upon opposite side. That is the value of cot theta, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, what is the value of cosec theta again? Value of cosec theta.
Hypotenuse upon adjacent.
Hypotenuse.
अरे opposite. Hypotenuse
Upon opposite sec theta. Cosec theta. You have to speak whole. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon opposite side, right? Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side, and cot theta is equal to adjacent upon opposite side. Okay. Now, students, do you have any doubt regarding these 6 terms, new terms?
No, ma'am.
समझ में आ गया
no
सबको?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
सबको समझ में आ गया ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes
What
ma'am.
we'll do tomorrow? Tomorrow we'll get the values. Instead of these values, we will take it 3, 4, and 5, and we will find out the values of all these terms. Okay? So we will do now next day this what sums of these terms. Okay? Chalo. Till that, just revise these terms. Okay? Chalo. We are winding up this class. Okay, hope students you have understood all these 6 terms regarding the trigonometry. Okay, so till that, bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.